In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know exactly how to break one PDF into multiple smaller files using Acrobat's built-in tools with clear choices for how the split is applied. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Give it a moment to load to the main workspace. If you're on the home screen, that's perfect. You're ready to bring in the file you want to split. Now open your PDF by going to the menu at the top left. This is where you access your files. Click Open, then browse to the PDF you'd like to use. Select it, and confirm to load the document in Acrobat. You should now see your PDF displayed with page thumbnails along the side or bottom, depending on your layout. Next, look to the top of the application and click Edit. This takes you to options related to modifying your document. From there, choose Organize Pages. This view is designed for page-level tasks like reordering, deleting, extracting, and of course, splitting. You'll see your pages laid out as tiles, which makes it easier to decide how you want the split to work. Click Split. Acrobat now switches into its split mode and shows you controls that govern how the document will be divided. The key setting here is the Split Numbers dropdown. Click that dropdown to select how the split should be applied by number of pages. For example, if you pick a specific number, Acrobat will create a new PDF every time it reaches that count of pages. A smaller number means more, smaller files. A larger number means fewer, larger files. Choose the number that best matches your goal, whether you need one file per page, batches of a few pages, or larger chunks. When you've made your selection, click Split to run the operation. Acrobat will process the document and create separate PDFs based on your chosen setting. You'll see confirmation that the split is complete, and the resulting files will appear accordingly. This is a great moment to quickly glance over the output to ensure the pages are grouped exactly as intended. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. You opened your PDF, went to Edit, used Organize Pages, selected Split, chose a Split by Number option, and confirmed the split. If you follow these steps each time, you'll be able to break down lengthy documents into manageable sections in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide while you work through your own file.